Well, it looks like Coty Shock has definitely earned some brownie points with Club MX this year after the Deegan incident, racing up, was it a week after getting a plate in his shoulder, or surgery on his collarbone? Collarbone, that's what it was. Right here in Indianapolis, racing right after it, and actually doing pretty good. Because as of today, or whenever they actually signed this, as I'm reading this today, he has two new deals on the table. One, which will fully extend the deal he has now to race rest of Supercross and this year's Pro Motocross. And the second is a 3-year deal to race Supercross and Motocross starting in 2025. That's pretty good. I mean, for him, from a guy who didn't have a ride at the beginning of the year, or, the Phoenix Honda ride, whatever it was, fell through at the beginning of the year, and it was just basically Club MX said, hey, sure, you can come ride a bike, train, whatever, do whatever you want. And then to sign him, one, super good look for the team to be as cool as it is. For just saying, yeah, sure, you can come ride over one of our practice bikes. Don't worry about it. Come and get some training. That's, in general, awesome for them. And two, to say, hey, he's actually looking pretty good. We should give him a deal. I mean, give him a, Supercross only deal, which they did, which is the least, I don't know, least intensive thing that they could have done. Because at worst, you say, you didn't show us anything. Sorry. It was a good try, but we can't continue it. And at best, he did what he's doing right now. He's showing that he's got grit, he's got speed, he's competitive, and he wants it. And for them, hey, this is great. We signed a guy on probably nothing money with no expectations and whatever. And now you've got a solid rider who you signed for what this sport is, a long-term contract. But I don't know, you guys tell me. Comments below. You excited for this? Do you think it's a good deal for him? Good deal for the team? Whatever it is. Are you going to Foxborough as I'm recording this Saturday, so 2 days from now? Or are you going to another race? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.